All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your email before you send them out to your clients or your customers. So let's go to marketing in the menu here, and then we're going to go to settings here. Actually, sorry, we're going to emails, and then we're going to go to settings. So we're going to go there by going to campaigns, clicking on the gear right here. And then on the left, there's some setting menus here. We're going to click on sender verified, no, sender preferences. Here, this is where you will verify your email. Make sure that you verify this before you send out any of your emails. So you'll type in your email if it's not already there, or if you want to change it, you can type it in here, but you'll just click on verify now. Um, Once you click on verify now, it'll have you um, type in the verification code that'll come to your email address, and then you'll type that in. Let's see if it gave me one. Mm-mm. All right. So I'm gonna pause right here so that way I can put that code in. Well, actually, I'll just keep going. All right, and then now the email is verified. So that's how that process would work. If you go to verified sender emails here right above it on the menu, you'll see that that email is there. All right.